Okay, looking at the silver, we have a situation now where it's pretty late in the day, but nevertheless, um, it's reversing. Okay, we've had a fake out high. TrendPredator indicator shows us that into a breakout on the weekly chart. So let's have a look at that. So it's somewhat conflicting, perhaps. So break into the template that I use for my analysis, including the TrendPredator indicator. Okay, as we can see, silver broke. Let's make sure that we're on the right chart. Here we are. Okay, silver broke out of the opening range, Wall Street. We had a fake out high, then a fake out low, pumping up into the high from London. No cigar, no breakout of that. And then we clipped at 1 p.m. We clipped the highs of the New York day and plummeted back in to test the Asian highs. So, still overall, well, in fact, we took out Tuesday's high. So that's a fake out high. So we've got bearishness now in this market. Okay, so bearish well below yesterday's highs and the Asian highs. Tentatively, let's get rid of that as support. Okay, so looking for a continuation at the moment. The breakout, however, no, looks pretty good on the breakout as well. With 3 sessions up, New York, Asia was inside of yesterday's New York session, so we can box that off all as one period, if you like, an up period. So breaking out yesterday's London session, there's space below, and what else we got? So we've broken out London. The combination of New York and Asia was a breakout, and then London again today. So that's pretty heavy. That's pretty toppy, I should say. The price here left some space. If we get below the value area low of yesterday, so let's round that off. Let's have the. In fact, we need to do some work below the Asian low, in fact. So as you can see, we dumped into the value area from yesterday and pumped. Right, so it's no longer a naked value area high. The point of control is all the way down here. So it's a pretty low quality setup to be shorting. I wouldn't be convinced until we're back below the Asian lows for a continuation trade into the weekly breakout level. But anyway, quite late in the day, there's nothing here for me that stands out of particular interest. It's all rather filled up. I mean, there's no real. You look at the value area gaps. I mean, you've got a minuscule gap here into the support area that I've drawn, potentially into the closing price, but other than that, I don't really see much opportunity on this chart currently until, like I said, we get into yesterday's value area lows below the Asian low, potentially for a continuation down into the weekly breakout level for a retest. So potentially we're heading down to retest the weekly breakout level. Pretty bearish on the 8-hour chart, so there could be some trickle through action down into the weekly breakout level. Okay, that's silver.